Okay, so I'm here at Charm Memorial in Stockbridge, Georgia, and Charm sells this, she calls it Follicle Restore, but it really should be called Magic in a Bottle. Let me tell you, as someone who suffered from chronic scalp issues, itchy scalp, flaky scalp, I've gone to several dermatologists, I've had several prescription shampoos, topical treatments, pills you take, all the things. And in 30 plus years, nothing has been able to address my scalp. This right here, miracle in a bottle. Ask for it, she'll know. That's what it's called. It's really called Follicle Restore. But this right here, so since I don't believe in gatekeeping, I'm telling you, this is a magic potion. And I absolutely cannot live without it anymore. I don't have any scalp issues. I'm not doing this every day. I don't have the flakiness that I used to have. None of that. Follicle Restore.